Welcome to Spirit Ascension, a channel where we journey beyond the ordinary and explore the extraordinary realms of our minds. I'm Remco, and today I invite you to unlock the mysteries of lucid dreaming with me. In this guide, we delve deep into practices that can transform your nightly adventures. For years, I experienced lucid dreams naturally, navigating dream worlds with a sense of normalcy, believing everyone had this ability. It was during peaceful mornings, especially on days free from the rush of life, that these vivid dreams would come to life. But it wasn't until a casual conversation at work that I realized the uniqueness of this gift. My colleagues' reactions, a mix of awe and skepticism, opened my eyes to the rarity and wonder of lucid dreaming. Interestingly, since my wife and I started our journey together, she too began experiencing lucid dreams more frequently. It seems the power of suggestion, or perhaps the shared energy of our intentions, has unlocked this ability in her as well. This shared experience has been a fascinating journey of discovery for both of us. In this video, we'll explore the 3 pillars essential for mastering lucid dreaming: journaling, reality checks, and consistency. These are not just tools, but gateways to a world where your consciousness can roam freely, a world where you are the architect of your own nightly adventures. Whether you're new to this concept or an experienced dream traveler, these practices are your map to navigating the dream world. So let's embark on this journey together. Join me as we explore the limitless potential of our dreaming minds here on Spirit Ascension. The 3 foundations of lucid dreaming. First up, dream journaling. You'll need a journal next to your bed, or you can use your phone to record your dreams. It might feel a bit tedious at first, but this is a fundamental step for dream recall. Think about it. What's the use of having a lucid dream if you can't remember it the next day? Whether you prefer writing or speaking, the key is to record as much detail as possible as soon as you wake up. Next, let's talk about reality checks. Set a reminder on your phone or watch every hour or 2 during the day. Make sure the alarm sound isn't too jarring. Before performing any reality checks, really ask yourself, am I dreaming? It's more than just repeating the words. It's about truly questioning your reality. Hand check. When the alarm goes off, look at your hands and count your fingers. Does everything look normal? If yes, you're awake. But if you see any abnormalities like extra fingers or a thumb in the wrong place, you are dreaming. Nose pinch. Try pinching your nose and breathing through it. Can't breathe? You're awake. If you can still breathe with your nose pinched, you're in a dream. Jump. Perform a simple jump. In the waking world, it's just a jump. But in a dream, you might float, fall slowly, or even start flying. If that happens, you're definitely dreaming. The 3rd foundation is consistency. It's where most people struggle, but it's crucial. Don't give up after just a few days. Keep at it consistently. Strategy to increase the chance of lucid dreaming. The wake back to bed method. We often enter deep REM sleep when we're very tired, which isn't ideal for lucid dreaming. So try this. Set an alarm for 4 to 5 hours after you go to sleep. When it goes off, wake up and move around for about 5-10 minutes. You can even use this time to record your dreams. Then go back to bed with the intention of having a lucid dream. Keep up with your reality checks and you might just find yourself lucid dreaming. What to expect? Initial success. You could have a lucid dream within the first week. If it doesn't happen often at first, don't worry. Stay consistent and the frequency will increase. Duration of lucidity. Being lucid in a dream might not last long initially. You might find yourself slipping back into a normal dream state. Frequent reality checks can help you stay lucid for longer. Avoid focusing on your physical body. Concentrating too much on your physical body lying in bed might wake you up. Managing emotions. Excitement or fear can cause you to wake up from a lucid dream. Try to stay calm and maintain an even emotional state. Mastering fear in dreams. If you start feeling scared, remind yourself that you're safe. Overcoming fear in dreams can be empowering, whether you're lucid dreaming or not. And those are my top tips for starting your lucid dreaming journey. I'd love to hear about your experiences and any other methods you've tried. Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it around. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.